I'm going to show you how to make a smooth beat inside Studio One. What's good, everyone? Darkest Prod here, back with another video. And just before we get started, I just want to say thanks for sticking around. I really appreciate it. At the time of filming this video, we're sitting at, what's it say here, 930 subscribers. Man, that's insane to me. I got a lot more content on the way. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to show you how I made this beat. All right, so the first step, you want to find a good sample. I chose this one. Of course, we got to make a drum loop. And we are going to chop this up. But before we chop it up, I got to give a shout out to Ivan Kelder. This dude made a Studio One preset for us. It's a macro. I left the link down below for you guys to use it. Let me show you how we use that. You want to double click on the sample, click on your macro bar, select chop sample, select quarter notes, and boom, there you go. Next, you want to add some additional instrumentation. I added a bass. This is a key bass. Then I added a Rhodes and 2 layers of synths from Analog Lab 5. The saxophone is from Session Horns. That's the end of the video. Thanks again for sticking around. I really do appreciate it. We got more videos on the way. Stick around, like and subscribe. My name is Darkest Prod. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.